Hey everyone, and welcome back to Adventures. So if you remember, I mentioned that I won't be sailing the high seas this summer, so I've decided to explore some places right in my own neighborhood. So today I'm actually going to a place called Huntington Beach, California. If you haven't seen it in the last 5 to 10 years, you might be surprised how much it's grown, especially for my friends that have moved to Florida or Montana. Anyway, join me and we're off and running. See you at the beach. And we're off. Welcome to Huntington Beach, California, where the people are friendly, the food is good, and surfing, well, it's a way of life. The town and the pier were named after a gentleman named Henry Huntington. In fact, when they made the first pier, it went out from Main Street all the way out to about 1,000 feet into the ocean, which was very impressive for those days. In 1925, Duke Kahanamoku from Hawaii brought surfing to Huntington Beach, and the rest is history. The Duke had won an Olympic gold medal in the year 1912 and then started traveling around the world giving surfing and swimming expeditions. He ended up living right here in Newport Beach, California. Right across the street from the statue is the famous Duke's restaurant. It's popular for its fresh seafood with Hawaiian flair, but currently, FYI, it's only open for takeout. And today they even had an arts and crafts show at the end of the pier. Our original plan was to have lunch at Ruby's at the end of the pier, but it was closed, unfortunately. So we watched the fishermen and then walked back to town. aloud. So after lunch, we decided to do some shopping. So we found Famous Jack's Surfboard Shop, and in front was the legendary Surfer's Walk of Fame. I wanted to find Larry Bertlemann, and there he was. But for now, it's time to say goodbye to the beach, pick up my Starbucks, and head on down the coast.